Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very helpful video for any of you trying to find the power outlet socket, fuses and relays on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. We're talking about power outlet socket for the front, for the rear. We'll explain where you can find these fuses, relays. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So for the power outlet socket, fuses, relays, come guys, we'll show you where you can find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Equinox guys. And by the way, quick advice from us, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. Here we need to open the front right door guys on the passenger side. If we do that, we come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, and on the side of the center console you see that cover, pop it open, and underneath you're going to find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, for the fuses that control cigarette lighters known as power outlet sockets guys, let's explain. We'll need to check two fuses here, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check another one as well. And what we're talking about here, first we need to check fuse number 13, that's one of the fuses. Then we have another one that we need to check, and that's fuse number 17. So these two fuses next to each other will be the ones that you guys need to check. Next you need to open the hood. When you open the hood facing the engine, you see right here on the driver's side, that's your fuse box. You have two clips, one here, one there. Squish them together, pull up, and the cover will come up. Underneath you have that layout here. What do we need to check here specifically guys? One more fuse, where it's located. Okay, we're talking specifically about fuse number 26. You see that 20 amp fuse? That's the one that you will guys need to check. What about relays? You don't have relays. The relay function practically it's controlled by the BCM, the body control module. So if you want to check the BCM fuses, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing that help as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.